Okay, it's for AP Lit Tuesday, February 16th. We're going to try a little reverse diagram. I will be posting the pictures of the poems. I brought my book home, so I'll take a picture and post the 6 poems you have to choose from here shortly. But hopefully on Friday you were able to kind of scan through them real quick and found which one you wanted to do or would like to do. So what we're going to do is, I've already provided you with the foci and the theme. So, set your paper up with, foci number 1, figurative language, foci number 2, illusions. Okay, so whatever I'm asking you to do in that one particularly. So then hopefully that'll help you search for the evidence for each in those poems. Obviously the evidence is there. That's why I chose those foci. So then kind of ask yourself, all right, based on this evidence and based on that foci, what am I going to argue based on this, prompt, this specific prompt to this foci and theme based on, the poem that you've chosen. Okay, so you're just kind of telling that to yourself a little bit, in a very general way, what am I going to try to argue? Again, based on my theme that I provided for you. So then your output should be just one very well worded, topic sentence for that body paragraph. And then we just need to repeat that process for foci number 2. I don't need a thesis statement yet or anything like that. Just hold off on that. What I'm looking for is just 2 really good topic sentences. So hopefully going through this process, it'll kind of streamline it a little bit and keep you honed in on really what you need to talk about. Okay. So, and then just, type that up. Don't do it, on Notability, or don't draw it or write it or anything. I want you to type it up, please. And then send it to me as usual through email. All right. See y'all.